Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can talk to new AI on Snapchat. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your chat. Then over here you will be having my AI option or chat. Or what you can do is just go to your search button and then search for my AI and just click on it. And then over here, this is your my AI option, or let's say the new chatbot or new AI. Over here, what you can do is you can chat with it, you can send snap from here, or you can send voice messages, or even the pictures and anything with this plus over here. You can share the correct location as well. So that's how you're gonna talk, guys. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.